Good Sunday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather update for this December the 15th, 2013. Overall, not too bad of a day once the clouds continue to push their way out of eastern North Carolina skies. And tonight, we've got pretty much clear skies across the region, and that is going to be the continuing look as we head into the next several days. Doesn't look like we're going to have very much in the way of weather to talk about in this forecast update. We'll talk about what's going on, obviously, but it's a very tranquil weather pattern over the next several days. So let's get you into the forecast update. All right, here's a look at our time lapse from today from the Greenville perspective of the Hampton Inn Skycam. It was cloudy for a good portion of the day, especially for the morning time hours. A couple light showers this morning as the frontal boundary pushed through. But as the day wore on, we got a mixture of clouds and sun. The sun started to filter through the high, thin cirrus clouds. Had a couple of cumulus clouds build up through the afternoon hours. But really, once that dry air really started to push in, it scoured out all the clouds. We just had high-level, thin cirrus clouds. You actually see the moon rising there. It ended up being an all-right evening as far as that was concerned. Look at the rainfall totals. Most areas picking up over an inch across eastern North Carolina. 3/4 of an inch in Jacksonville, 1.63 in Morehead City, 1.41 for Greenville, almost 2 inches over in Kenansville. I pretty much think they took the cake over there because they had a very nasty bowing segment come through there about 7:30 last night. Just kind of was dumping heavy amounts of rain right through there. Just over 6/10 in New Bern, and just over an inch and a half in Rocky Mount. So a lot of rainfall across eastern North Carolina, good beneficial rainfall. A few clouds still lingering for our coastal areas, but pretty much we are done as far as the cloud coverage is concerned. The frontal boundary is now well offshore, and we're going to stay dry. You see some returns off to the north and west. Those are not making it their way towards us. We're going to be dry the next couple of days. We're doing this update a little late tonight, closing in on the 11 o'clock newscast. 41 in Greenville, 34 already in Kinston, 35 Kenansville, 37 down in Jacksonville. Look at the dew point temperatures. Last night, this time, we had dew point temperatures in the mid-60s for coastal areas. So a very wide range as far as our dew points are concerned last night, and compared that to today where our dry air is really pushed in. Winds are now coming out of the west-northwest. Yesterday all out of the south, and it was quite breezy ahead of that frontal boundary that pushed through here. And we didn't have an ENC Weather update video yesterday because obviously we were dealing with the tornado watch situation, and there is a video of pretty much the entire coverage of that here on YouTube. If you want to go back and watch that, that was pretty much the ENC Weather update video yesterday because that was the update. I mean, we were talking about severe weather potential, and thankfully, no reports of severe weather across eastern North Carolina, not even a wind damage report, but we did have some gusty winds rolling through the area last night. Here's a look at the precision forecast model, take you through the overnight hours tonight as far as temperatures are concerned. I think most inland areas dropping to around freezing, coastal areas middle 30s, maybe an upper 30 reading near the coast. And Outer Banks going to be somewhere around 50 tonight, upper 40s. Tomorrow looking nice for us across the east. More sunshine expected. Upper 40s north, low to mid 50s down to the south. I think maybe a couple of spots south of US 70. Kenansville, Jacksonville may touch the mid 50s if you get enough. If the sunshine is just right tomorrow. But I think with the northwest wind, I think most of us can stay in the low 50s. I think most of us right around that 50-degree mark tomorrow, and then we fall back again. And I think overnight, on Monday into Tuesday, we'll fall into the mid-30s with a few clouds sneaking in. Here's a look at the long-range precision forecast model, and we're dry for the next several days. It's hard to. You're going to be hard-pressed to find a cloud in the sky the next several days. I think a couple of high, thin clouds may sneak in on Tuesday, late Monday into Tuesday, but that's about it. And you see Wednesday morning, little clipper system rolling through. It's dry, obviously, but that's going to bring down our temperatures. But overall, the week ahead looks very mild. So we'll put this into perspective. Tomorrow morning, sunshine, temperatures around freezing will warm up to the mid to upper 40s by noontime. A few maybe high clouds building in through the afternoon hours, temperatures near 50 with a light northwest wind. 7-day forecast looking great. 50 tomorrow. A few high thin clouds on Tuesday. 58, and some areas may touch 60 on Tuesday. By Wednesday, more sunshine and that clipper system rolling through. We'll go with upper 40s, low 50s. And then look what happens. A deep southwest flow takes hold by Thursday and Friday. And warm air advection comes handedly into the area Thursday and Friday, and look where our temperatures go. We go from 48 on Wednesday to 61 Thursday, 68 on Friday. We'll keep a chance for a shower on Friday. The European, the GFS, both supporting the chance for maybe a couple of showers sneaking in here. I don't think it's going to be as big of a threat at this current time, but these may be these warm air advection showers that kind of run in and with some isentropic uplift, but it's just not going to be a major issue. And then we head towards Saturday and Sunday. Our next frontal boundary starts to head closer to us, but we still have good warm air advection. I mean, 850 temperatures up into the up around 11 to 13 degrees Celsius. And that would technically have us somewhere around the lower 70s, maybe even some mid-70s on the board. But with clouds and the chance for showers, I don't think we'll make it there, but there will be a chance for showers. And the model's still a little out to lunch as far as timing is concerned with this next system. It looks like there's going to be one system that comes in for the weekend, and then a secondary system that comes through. The European's faster on that system. The GFS has it coming in on Christmas. So at this point in time, we're kind of iffy as far as the rain shower activity possibilities for Christmas, but at least this gets you into the weekend before Christmas, and at the time being, it does look like it could be a little bit on the wet side, but at least warm. That'll do it for me here on the ENC Weather Update. Stay up to date with us, Facebook, Twitter, WNCT.com. Next update here will be by Wednesday afternoon. Dante Jones will be in Monday morning for Morning Edition 5 to 7, and on the noon show, Chief Meteorologist David Sawyer will be out in New Bern tomorrow for the 5 o'clock, 5:30, and the 6 o'clock newscast, and also he'll be on the late shows. Have a great rest of your evening, a great day tomorrow, and a great weather week ahead.